Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to see what is the default value assigned to character variable in Java. So when a default value comes in picture, suppose you have created any variable, something like this char alpha, but you did not assign it any value and it remained unassigned. In this case, what happens is compiler will assign it certain value and that value is known as the default value. Generally what happens is whenever we create any variable, we assign it some value, something like this, right? We assign it some value like A, B, C, whatever character, the type of variable that you create, you assign value according to that data type. But here what we do is we do not assign it any value and thus it is unassigned. And what we are doing? We are trying to access this unassigned variable in this print value method and we are trying to print the value of that unassigned variable. So in this case, it will print the default value, right? So let's call this method print value from tutorials in hand class. And by now you are very much aware from our previous video tutorials how you can call the method of other class, whether it is static or non-static. So in this case, since the method is non-static, let's create the reference variable and then invoke constructor or using new keyword, and we have the reference variable for the object created and the reference variable is demo. And now using this reference variable demo, we are going to call the method print value. See, you are getting the suggestion print value, press enter, and this is how you are calling the method. And if you press Ctrl, hover your mouse over print value and click on it, it will take you to the place or the method that is getting called, and it is showing that this print value is getting called and whatever is written within the body of this method will get executed. Here we are simply printing the value of unassigned variable alpha, right? So let's execute and see what is the default value. So as you can see here, nothing is getting printed or there is a blank space getting printed at this place. You see the value is getting printed, but this value alpha is blank and it actually prints the null character at this place. So the default value of character data type is null character and it is represented something like this. Suppose if I assign the value that null character has to this variable, then also you will see the same output will be there, and the default value is this one, U4 zeros, and this is the lowest value of the character Unicode that is present. So if we now print this value, then also you will see that there will be a blank space. Let's print this and see, again you will get the same blank space. So this is the value that the default char variable is assigned, that is /u and 4 zeros. Now there are a lot of other Unicode values that could be assigned, like 61. If you make it 61, then I think some alphabet will be printed. See, small a is printed. If you go on increasing this from 61 to 62, then B will get printed. If you increase it to 63, then C is going to get printed. So these are the values which a character variable may possess. So we can go on increasing this, something like this 95, and you will have some values related to this one. So in this case, what is happening is when no value is assigned to this character variable, then this is assigned to it, and that is why you get a blank space that is representing the null character getting printed. So this is the default value. As you do not see anything getting printed over here, so in most of the tutorials or websites you will see there is a blank space they are printing, and if blank space is getting printed, you should mention, if you are asked in exam or interviews, you should mention that the default value is this /u4 zeros, which is the lowest value that can be assigned to a character variable, right? And you can also give the example of 61, 62 and so on that prints small a, small b, and similarly you can have capital A, capital B printed for some values. But our purpose was to see what is the default value of this character variable, and we have seen that this is the default value, right? So hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.